Number 1. The 1962 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $8,500, located in Waxahachie, Texas. This car is in very appealing condition, with shiny white paint and a clean, well-maintained red interior, including the original dashboard with a full instrument panel and signature bucket-style rear seats. The exterior displays the distinctive styling of the third-generation Thunderbird, complete with round tail lights and the signature bird emblem on the rear. Mechanically, the car can still start and drive, but needs an engine rebuild due to compression loss in cylinder 8. The owner mentioned it was used as a daily driver for 2 years and has been owned for 7 years. Although the factory AC system has been removed for engine servicing, the car still includes power windows and several recent upgrades: Pertronix igniter solid-state ignition, MSD Blaster 2 coil, new spark plug wires, new fuel pump, relatively new battery, new starter solenoid, and new front suspension. With its blend of classic looks and mechanical updates, it has the potential to become either a light restoration project or an appealing weekend cruiser. Number 2. The 1975 Ford Maverick, priced at $8,500, located in Spring Valley, California. This car is in excellent condition for its age. On the exterior, the shiny green paint retains about 90% of its original luster, with only minor aging signs or light scratches. The clean and modern 17 inches aftermarket wheels add a sporty touch that contrasts well with the car's classic design. The interior is complete and very tidy, featuring well-maintained black leather seats with no tears and intact door panels. The V8 engine is in good condition, though a bit dusty, and is claimed to run smoothly on the highway with no smoke. It features manual windows, a good battery, and does not require a smog check, a major advantage in some U.S. regions. Overall, this Maverick is a lightly modified classic that retains originality and is ready to drive without needing major repairs. Number 3. The 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $8,000, located in Union County, New Jersey, AS. Equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it is in excellent condition for its age. The exterior is smooth, with a shiny gold paint finish and no visible major damage or rust. The interior is well maintained, featuring clean velour seats and an original dashboard complete with a tilt steering column. The engine is running and clean, indicating the car has likely been well cared for. It includes AC, power steering, power brakes, and 14 inches Supreme-style aftermarket wheels, giving it a sporty yet classic feel. The car is said to run and drive well, and the seller is willing to provide additional videos to serious buyers and assist with shipping. Number 4. The 1966 Ford Fairlane, priced at $7,000, located in Sun Valley, Nevada. A classic vehicle that remains largely intact despite signs of aging. The turquoise blue paint still looks attractive, although there are dents and scratches at the front, particularly around the right bumper. It has American Racing Torque Thrust D wheels and new BFG tires, enhancing its sporty vibe. The 289 Windsor V8 engine has been modified with Flowtech aluminum 185 cubic centimeters 60C heads, a comp cams camshaft, a dual-plane Ford Performance intake manifold, a Holley 600 carburetor, performance rocker arms, and valve covers. The cooling system has also been updated with a new water pump, thermostat, and an Optima battery. The interior shows worn and torn seats, but the dashboard remains original and intact. The headliner is starting to sag, and the rear seat is covered with a blanket to hide damage. It uses a 3-speed, 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, adding to its classic charm. A new windshield has been installed. This is a great choice for classic car fans looking for a light project with a strong engine. Number 5. The 1960 Pontiac Bonneville, priced at $6,500, located in Rockland County, New York. A full-size classic sedan, iconic from the muscle car era. Based on the images and description, the exterior is quite solid, though the paint shows signs of aging and light surface rust, typical for a vehicle of this age. The brown interior is well preserved and original, featuring split front vinyl bench seats, a clean faux wood dashboard, and near-flawless door panels and rear seats. It's powered by a 455 ccu in 7.5L V8 engine, reportedly original and showing 109,000 miles. Everything, including the hardtop roof, remains original and in very good condition. Unfortunately, the original hubcaps are missing, and the car currently sits on oversized chrome aftermarket wheels that don't match the era. The seller states that the firm price is $5,000 with no negotiation. Overall, it's a solid, road-ready classic candidate needing only minor cosmetic refinements. Number 6. The 1965 Ford Galaxie 500, priced at $7,200, located in Clearwater, Florida. This two-door fastback is still in the hands of its second owner. Overall, it's in very respectable condition for its age. The exterior has been repainted in a bright red, replacing its original silver mink metallic, though there is paint damage and surface rust around the rear window. The red vinyl interior is well preserved, with some signs of reasonable wear reflecting its originality. The 352 cubic in 5.8L V8 engine is clean and intact, reportedly rebuilt, and paired with a Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. The odometer shows 72,000 miles, and the car was last registered as non-operational in 2017. Additional features include dual exhaust, rear air shocks, original 1965 California plates, dealer-installed AC, not connected, full hubcaps, vintage fender skirts in the trunk, and the original owner's manual in good condition. While the overall condition is very solid, the rear brakes are said to need attention. This car is ideal as a light classic collector or mild restoration project that still runs. Number 7. The 1968 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $7,200, located in Clearwater, Florida. It remains in original, unrestored condition but still runs well. Visually, the gold paint with white vinyl top is intact, though showing some natural aging consistent with the car's age. The cream-colored interior is very well preserved. Both the front and rear seats are free from major rips or heavy wear. The door panels, dashboard, and floor are also clean and complete, indicating good upkeep. The 429 V8 engine is tidy and clean, with several key replacements including the fuel tank, fuel pump, new distributor, and a rebuilt Autolite 4100 carburetor, ensuring stable performance. It also has a solid undercarriage and is registered and road legal in Florida, with an odometer reading of 49,000 miles believed to be original mileage. Number 8. The 1967 Oldsmobile Toronado, priced at $9,000, located in Greene, Kansas. A classic coupe known as the first front-wheel drive car from General Motors in the modern era. Overall, its condition is quite good for a vehicle over 50 years old. The body is claimed to be rust-free, zero rust, which is a big plus for a classic car. The paint is dull, with some scratches and peeling, showing that the car hasn't been polished or repainted, an intentional decision by the owner to preserve its originality. The interior appears to have been partially restored, with new seats and headliner. Although the materials are no longer factory original, they resemble modern velour. The door panels and dashboard still appear original, with some signs of wear. Features such as power steering, power windows, power seats, and an AM/FM radio are functional, except for the non-working AC. The 425 ccu in 7.0L V8 engine with automatic transmission still runs and drives well, although cold starts can be tricky due to the unconnected automatic choke. The car comes with new tires, about 1,000 miles on them, and new shocks on all four wheels. With complete documents and a clean title, it's a strong candidate for a classic collection or a light restoration project.